The Cybertruck community cannot get enough of wrapping their trucks, and it's been a really big debate and a really good race on what's better, satin black or super gloss blackout. And while we do about equal amounts of both, my personal favorite is definitely the Nuys super gloss blackout film. I absolutely love it. I will be wrapping my truck in it. And before we get into that, and I want to share that with you guys, let me tell you that this truck absolutely looks great using this really high-end vinyl film. This is a color change, it is vinyl, and it's really great quality. And that's because Nuys does a wonderful job manufacturing their films. So complete color change, as you could see, and this customer also chose our brand new 22-inch CT7 wheels. They are fully forged, they're finished in satin black, and they look really good on these Falcon all-terrain tires. This is a nice step up from the smaller 20-inch version that we offer and that normally comes on the truck. So we got some 22s on, the truck's super gloss black, and the windows are tinted, extra dark on the sides, just to kind of complete this overall look. Now, before we end this video, I want to go inside and share with you guys something very special that we did. Come check this out. So as you all know, the trucks that are being delivered right now are Foundation Series. And if you have a Foundation Series Cybertruck, part of that package includes the fact that your 4 door panel inserts and the lower dash area are upholstered in a white decor. It is a vegan vinyl material, and that's just the way the trucks are coming right now. And while a lot of you probably like that, I have heard from a lot that they actually do not like it. So we have launched our upholstery program for the interior of the Cybertruck that allows you to have the 4 door panel inserts and the lower dash area reupholstered in any leather or Alcantara. And that's exactly what we did here. We reupholstered using black Alcantara material. This is a really strong, good tie-in with the black Alcantara roof accents that come in the Cybertruck. And then this customer wanted to take it one step further. Now, for those of you that know, the Cyber Beasts are starting to be delivered now as well, and they are also Foundation Series. And they have an interesting element that the all-wheel drive does not, and that is the upper dash pad is upholstered in Alcantara from Tesla, as opposed to that kind of rubber textured material that all the other trucks have. So this is not a Cyber Beast, but since we reupholstered the lower dash and the door inserts, this customer wanted us to also reupholster the upper dash pad, and that's what we did here using the same Alcantara film with that nice double stitch, just like the way it is in a Cyber Beast. Now let me share with you guys a little bit about what's happening with my personal Cyber Beast truck. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. This video is coming soon. My team and I have been working on this for the past couple of weeks. It's gonna have a lot of world's firsts, a lot of special extra attention to detail. I can't wait to share it with you. So subscribe so you'll get notification on that. Leave some comments below about what you think about this truck. And thank you as always for watching. We have a lot of great content coming your way soon.